Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Disco Bob Entertainment and More in this video. DQ Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard review. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Sorry, I had an itch on my head and on the back of my ear. Sorry about that, everybody. Now let's get to this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Disco Bob.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, I was out and about and I stopped at Dairy Queen's drive-thru and I bought the Blizzard of the Month. One of the Blizzards of the Month, the second one. The first one I tried was the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard.
Wow.
This one is the Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard.
Wow.
So, as you can see, we're going to give this a try. It's got little pieces, little cookie pieces, and it's got the little pieces, like candy pieces that go into the cookie, sugar cookie. So let's give this a try.
Wow.
Very good. I got a small, but I really like the Candy Cane Chill one. I like this one as well.
Wow.
I wanted to do them both at one time, but I figured I'd get kind of messy in the car and we'd do one at a time.
Yeah.
But this Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard is good. You got the cookie pieces in it, which is really good. You can see the red. I think there's red and green. The red and green speckles. It's like the little candy or whatever that is. I don't know what that is. It goes in with the cookie.
Wow.
When you make a sugar cookie for Christmas, the red and the green.
Yeah.
I gotta say, this is very good. Real good soft sugar cookie pieces. Pieces of the cookie. Very good. So, I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. I'd definitely give them both again. But, this is the second of Dairy Queen's Blizzards of the Month for the holiday season. So, my 2 thumbs up. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this Dairy Queen Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard. And I'm going to tell you what, it does taste like a sugar cookie. So, everybody have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. You guys are so awesome. I thank every one of you guys for your support. So awesome.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or the Disco Bob Entertainment and More's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 9,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please, don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. on both my main channel and my second channel and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 9,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I know a notification has popped up, but this video is almost over anyway, so I'll take care of it afterwards. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!